Method 1. Replug the network cable to ensure it's in good contact. Method 2. Check whether the Ethernet device is disabled. Press Win+X to select Device Manager. If the Ethernet device has been disabled, right-click the device to select Enable Device. Method 3. Update the Ethernet device driver. Press Win+X to select Device Manager. Select Network Adapters. Select the Ethernet device and right-click to Uninstall Device. Click Scan for hardware changes. Then right-click to select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the files of Ethernet driver. Click OK. Click Next. Method 4. Change the Ethernet configuration. Click Start to select Settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Ethernet. Click Edit to edit IP settings. Change Manual to Automatic. Click Save. Method 5. Check if Use Proxy Server is off. Click Start to select Settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Proxy. Turn on Automatically Detect Settings. Ensure Use a Proxy Server is off. Method 6. Try Network Reset. Click Start to select Settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Click Yes. If these methods are not useful, it may be because the Ethernet adapter is damaged. In this case, you need to find a professional to replace or repair it.